This week I'm testing the Mazda MX-30. It's a little 5-seater with lifestyle doors that open outwards. These are my top 3 family favourite features. Number 1 are the buttons on the back of the driver's seat. I'm sure with more responsible rear passengers they're fine. However, with my daughter, she is pressing them constantly and moving my seat. Number 2 are the doors. Yes, they're impractical. Yes, it's more hard work with the kids. However, they're kind of quirky and a bit fun too. And also, they're really good for locking when you walk away and to the car. Hands-free makes it much easier with your kids. Number 3 is the way it drives. It's really nice to drive, but being small, it's nice and agile around town and easy to park in supermarket car parks and places like that. And the turning circle is nice and small too. We have loved our week with the MX-30, even if it has been a bit tricky in the back here. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.